Today in this video we are talking about WordPress.org versus WordPress.com. WordPress.org is a standalone option, so you can choose where you want to save your files and content. It is not self-hosted. Whereas WordPress.com is a hosting platform. It is the self-hosted. This means all the content and the files are on your WordPress server when you launch your blog on the WordPress.com. In WordPress.org, you can upload customized theme or modify them, whereas in WordPress.com, you cannot use modified themes. In WordPress.org, you have to take care of all the updates and backup, whereas in WordPress.com, WordPress.com will take care of everything. In WordPress.org, custom plugins are allowed, whereas in WordPress.com, custom plugins are not allowed. In WordPress.org, you can generate money by selling your own ads. But in the case of WordPress.com, you are not allowed to sell ads other than WordPress ads. If you are interested and have knowledge about HTML, CSS and PHP and want to develop themes and plugins, then you can use .org, else you can use .com.